Join me in my quest to reverse insulin resistance naturally within a few weeks. Is it even possible? This is a condition characterized by the reduced ability of cells within the body to respond to insulin. Insulin is a hormone secreted by the pancreas to regulate blood sugar homeostasis. When insulin resistance occurs, such regulation is compromised. Thus, anything from type 2 diabetes, weight gain, and increased heart disease risk could come into the equation. Basically, being insulin resistant means that your body is having a way tougher time regulating blood sugar levels, and that couldn't be worse for your overall health and well-being. Because these changes usually require diet and lifestyle modification, it's hard to reverse insulin resistance. Some people have a hard time really giving up a cuisine that they enjoy, maybe some chocolates or refined carbs. Then there is the pressure of juggling regular workouts with busy schedules. Misinformation presents its own challenge, as some will have attempted the fad diets or quick tricks that eventually did nothing in the long run. Emotional fatigue is also a silent killer. When you feel as though your every effort is being resisted by the old covenants of your being, it can be disorienting. Reversing insulin resistance naturally calls for a multifaceted approach that requires changing diet plans, exercising, and changing other lifestyle practices. For instance, following a low-carb, high-fiber diet comprising vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats can be an approach. These would be foods such as leafy greens, berries, and avocados, which would be considered fabulous for blood sugar control. Exercise, along with aerobics and strength training, is also a great way to improve insulin sensitivity. Stress relief methods like meditating and yoga are other aspects that are extremely beneficial to overall health. For instance, studies have even shown that a short walk after meals can blunt blood sugar spikes. There are amazing reports of people having great results from these changes. For instance, with intermittent fasting, one induces sensitivity back into insulin use. Drink a ton of water and sleep well. They're probably the biggest hormones that improve insulin sensitivity. For this reason, begin avoiding added sugars and refined carbs. They increase blood sugar level, which in turn contributes to the development of insulin resistance. There are plenty of heroic tales of people reversing their insulin resistance. But in one of the more famous examples, a study undertaken in a low-resource country, people at high risk of developing type 2 diabetes underwent intensive lifestyle change, and their insulin sensitivity markedly improved in some cases within months. Such success stories not only raise hope, but have practical examples of possibilities with commitment and the right strategies. To reverse insulin resistance naturally, it's essential to focus on sustainable changes that you can maintain over time. This includes conscious carbohydrate intake, avoiding processed foods, and choosing physical activities you enjoy and can stick to, all with the intent of making these changes a part of your lifestyle, not just a temporary fix. To sum it up, let me say that reversing insulin resistance naturally is untapped but crucial for long-term wellness. Thinking about craftful dietary choices, remaining in perpetual motion, somehow adequately dealing with stress, and staying consistent with these changes were the things to keep in mind. If you have personal stories on how you've dealt with or avoided insulin resistance, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. If you want to see more content on health and wellness naturally, please take a look at another interesting video about simple methods to boost metabolism to ultimately enhance your health.